Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It is Monday, the 22nd of June, first full day of summer. Let's get to our weather wisdom for today. It's going to be a dry day for the most part and a bit of stress on the trees with the drought continuing. Speaking of trees, we are sponsored by Hartney Graymont. Hartney Graymont for all of your arbor needs, arbor care needs, and they have offices in Needham, Danvers, Concord, and on Cape Cod. Check them out. They'll actually come out to your house and do an evaluation for free. So, what do we got going on? Well, we've got a low pressure area moving through. Two waves of rain, one this afternoon and evening, mostly overnight tonight, and another one tomorrow morning. Some of the models are bringing very little rain to Metro West. Don't like that. Other models, the global models, the ones that have a coarser resolution that can't see some of the nuances, are keeping everybody sort of widespread rain. But the Canadian model, as well as the NAM model, are basically keeping it much, much drier than the other models. So we'll have to wait and see as to exactly how this plays out. But indeed, we're not looking at as much moisture from some of the models, which, again, I don't like. The FV3, which is one of the newer models that's going to kind of be replacing the NAM here later this summer. It gives a few heavier downpours south toward the Cape and the Islands. It gives a big swath of rain from Vermont on up through Maine, and it keeps Boston, much of Essex County, much of eastern Middlesex County, Norfolk County, down through Rhode Island, pretty dry. We'll have to wait and see what happens. Temperatures today in the 70s. Tonight we're in the 60s, a little muggy. Tomorrow we're back into the 70s with that other chance of showers. And then as we head for the daytime on Wednesday and Thursday, sunshine, temperature in the 80s. Have a great day, everybody.